Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Shopify Flow. As a Shopify user, you must have to know about Flow. So your question is that why? Because it's help you to save your time, make automate your work and help you to grow your business. So let's see what actually Shopify Flow and what is the benefit and how we can use it and how we can set up it. So first of all, you can see that I'm on the Shopify admin panel and here is the flow under apps. So I'm going to click on the flow. It's default app of Shopify. So when you log in your Shopify admin panel, then you can see this flow app by default. So in the flow app, you can see its name workflow of this flow dashboard, and what we can see in here: get more work done in less time, turn your tasks into automated workflow so you can get back to business. That means you can automate a lots of manual tasks with flow, and you can give this time to grow your business like product recharge or others relevant things. Also manage your business or manage your customers, a lots of things, but your maximum manual tasks will be automated with flow, and this is the main benefit of flow. And right now we are living on the AI era, and in this AI revolution or AI era, we must have to use it to automate everything as much as possible to save your time, to make more profit and grow our business. Okay, so when I click on the flow, we can see here is the main things what actually it can automate our workflow. So I'm going to first of all to check its. So here you can see browser template. There have ready template for workflow. Also you can create workflow, and here's the news relevant it. For example, view who edited, activate or deactivate a workflow version, send internal email from your shop's email address. Okay, and here we can see more post relevant flow, and here is the picture template. So first of all, we are going to click on the see all templates, and in the see all templates we can search any templates in here, but as a beginner we actually don't know which template we need and for what type of text. Here also option for all apps and all categories. You can select categories, but I'm going to sort by most popular or newest. If I click on the newest, then we can see the newest, and if I click on the most popular, then we can see the most popular template. There have 172 template, and here is the categories names. And first of all, you can see that get notified by email when product variant inventory is low. So we can use this template to get notified when our product category inventory low. So when I click on this template, then we can understand everything in details how it's actually works. So here you can see product variant inventory quantity changes. This workflow start when the inventory level changes for a specific product variant. Okay, then here's the condition. You can select the condition: product variant inventory quantity is less than or equal to 20. That's mean if your product inventory less than 20 or equal to 20, then inventory quantity period is greater than 20. So if this condition match, that's mean true, then send internal email. Send an email to with following subject: product inventory display name is low stock. Okay, so here is the details. Then you can see about this template. In this low stock notification, you can get notified by email when any of your variant inventory become low. So I hope you understand the main details of this template and how it's work. Then you can install it by click on the install. Okay, this is just a one flow. We have more than 172 flow. So let's see other flow. Capture payment if order is not high fraud risks. It's relevant payment secure for fake order. And then payment reminder sent after due date. Send a payment reminder to your customers after the order due date. It's relevant payment and order. Then payment reminder sent on due date. Cancel high risk order. Sent email summary with all unfulfilled order older than 2 days. Publish and unpublished product based on inventory level. Cancel and track order from a listed email address. So we cannot finish all the template details with one video. I just share some important things in here. Here's the most popular. We can also select newest, everything order related, and send WhatsApp message to a customer through Iron AI when their order has been cancelled. Send WhatsApp message to a customer through Iron AI to ask for feedback for their order. Maximum relevant customer management and order management, also the business management, inventory management. And send WhatsApp message to a customer through Iron AI to recover abundant checkout. So I think I have to make individual video for all this template so that every Shopify user can understand how it can be used and how they can use this for their Shopify store. So this is just a very beginning level tutorials. Also, I'm going to click on the settings to share more about this flow. Settings, manage connection. You may add trigger or action from this app, but you must install or connect them to run your workflow or apply changes. We can connect Google Sheet for Shopify Flow. We can connect Asana, Trello, Sulk, OpenAI. So lots of things is easy to add. Keep your secret safe, manage secret. Okay, recent run. We can also check recent run. We don't run any flow still now. So this is just a basic level intro video for all of the Shopify user. And of course I'm going to create individual video based on specific ready template. So I hope all this video will be very helpful for you and all of the Shopify user, and you will stay connected with me as a subscriber. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.